sa mga gadgets. Di ba, parents? On the other hand, a good dancer should have the values or attitudes na follow kung unsay instruction sa coaches, common time sa training, then important pod na dili mo absent. To further enhance your skill, watch different videos on dance sport. And most importantly, need pod ang practice aron ang inyong skill mahimo ng pang-international someday. Let me remind you that constant correct practice makes perfect. Our utmost gratitude to the dance coaches